everybody, and welcome to Crypto News, where I'll be bringing you the latest news in the crypto world on a daily basis. So first of all, let's have a look at the top 100 coins by market cap and see how they've been getting on. It looks as if Bitcoin has started to slow down over the last 24 hours, currently down 1.6%. Ethereum, no move whatsoever, holding around $1,200. We do have a big mover in Bitcoin Cash in the top 10, up 14.1%. If we go to see who the best performers over the last 24 hours are, we can see that Bitcoin SV currently up 69.6%, IOST up 37.7%, MakerDAO continues its surge, up another 33%. So in the last 7 days, it's up a massive 140%. Avalanche as well, up another 33%. And if we go further down, we can see there are many coins posting over 10% gains in the last 24 hours. So it looks as if the market really isn't slowing down and continues to surge. So up next, an article from Danny Hoddle. Tidal wave of capital could bring Bitcoin's price to $14 million, according to MicroStrategy's Michael Saylor. So MicroStrategy Chief Executive Michael Saylor is envisioning a future where hundreds of trillions of dollars worth of investments can push the value of Bitcoin to as high as 14 million. Seems crazy to think of that number. I think that demonetizing gold gets you to 500,000, and that's simply pulling all the monetary energy off of the gold rock from gold bugs who believe it's a store of value and a safe haven. It's important to note there are a lot of organizations and a lot of investors that don't use gold as their safe haven. They use government debt, sovereign debt, and so cash is a safe haven and sovereign debt is a safe haven. And another safe haven people use as a store of value is the index funds. So really interesting article there. Do you believe that we could actually see a $14 million Bitcoin? If you do, guys, how long do you think we'll have to wait to see that number? Let me know in the comments below. It'd be really interesting to hear your thoughts on that. Following up from that, Morgan Stanley boasts stake in Bitcoin ladder MicroStrategy to 10.9%. So Morgan Stanley now owns 792,627 shares of MicroStrategy, bringing its total ownership in the company, best known for holding over 2 billion in Bitcoin, to 10.9%, according to a filing made with the US Securities and Exchange Commission. Also in the news, we're talking about the $3 trillion stimulus that Biden is preparing. Bitcoin could be set to erupt. The incoming Biden administration's plan to flood the US economy with trillions of dollars could ignite the next big leg of the Bitcoin bull market as more investors seek refuge from a crumbling United States dollar. We did see a real positive performance for Bitcoin the last time stimulus was issued early in 2020. Do you believe that we're going to see the same effect happen to Bitcoin over the next couple of months due to this coming into the market? Up next, Bitcoin mining difficulty hits record high amid miner revenue surge. So Bitcoin's mining difficulty just reached a record high above 20.6 trillion as more people are mining at a larger scale than ever before thanks to balloon mining revenue and Bitcoin's parabolic price rally. So a new difficulty all-time high is no surprise considering mining revenue has tripled in recent months. Interesting to see. We'll be looking at more of these articles throughout the year. Okay, over to Twitter. The first one that I saw was from Coin98 Analytics. In just 1 year, crypto market cap from $200 billion has increased 5 times, surpassing $1 trillion and becoming the most profitable investment channel. How much do you think crypto capitalization in 2021 could be? Can it flip silver market cap? So here we go. If we open this up, we can see how small crypto is compared to all these others that we're looking at. Money at 37 trillion, stocks at 80 trillion, real estate $280 trillion, and then derivatives at a massive $140 trillion. So there's so much potential within this market. Really interesting to see this chart. Okay, next week we go to Lunar Crush, talking about Polkadot, saying keep an eye on Polkadot. We're seeing spikes in multiple dot social metrics this week, up to 1,231 social mentions, up to 1,447,254 social engagements, up to 1,261 social contributors, and up to 1,194 posts classified as bullish for Polkadot. So might be an idea to have a look at Polkadot's price over the coming weeks to see if this is an indicator of things to come for other assets in the space. Next up, from Crypto Differ, talking about the major upcoming events in January. And if we click this open, we can see at the top we have quite a few new projects launching across different platforms. Notable big names that we find here are Blockstack, with Stacks 2.0 launching on January the 14th. Another big name in there, Elrond. We've got Binance BNB with their quarterly BNB burn this month as well. And I'm sure there's a host of other names that you might be familiar with having mainnet launches either mid or end of January. The last piece on Twitter was from Bloomberg Crypto. So Bitcoin just notched one of its best weeks on record, surging about 40% over 7 days. Anyone expecting the notoriously volatile digital currency to take a breather this weekend had better buckle up. So if you're interested in reading that complete article, if you follow Bloomberg Crypto, you should be able to access and have a read of it yourself. Okay, so for anybody that currently doesn't have any Bitcoin or Ethereum and is looking for a very easy way to get started, I do recommend trying out Swissborg. You can download Swissborg on the App Store or the Google Play. It allows you very easy ways to buy with your bank card for Bitcoin, Ethereum, as well as a host of other massive cryptocurrencies on the market as well. They are also doing passive income with Smart Yield. So you could put your money into a USD coin, which is a stable coin backed by the US dollar, and earn a massive 20% yield. So if you're not entirely comfortable at buying prices on cryptocurrency when they are surging really high, you might be interested in having a savings account that's actually paying a return of 20%. Okay, well, that about wraps it up for today, guys. I hope that you've enjoyed today's video. If you have, please can you give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and then share that video so we can grow the channel as quickly as possible. I hope that you guys have a really great weekend, and I do look forward to seeing you again soon. Thank you very much, guys.